Welcome to Pure 1 Quadratics. This unit is the absolute engine room of your Cambridge A-level algebra. In Paper 1, these specific skills are directly worth 8 to 12 marks, but their real value is hidden. They are the silent workhorse behind calculus, trigonometry, and coordinate geometry. If you are finding turning points or intersections, you are using quadratics. Master this unit now, and the rest of your pure mathematics course will feel entirely natural.
We start with solving quadratics. You already know the basics, but we will push further. You will learn to systematically factorize complex expressions by splitting the middle term, even when the leading coefficient is not 1. And when an equation completely resists factorization, you will derive and apply the quadratic formula. It is your ultimate fallback tool. Whether the roots are rational, exact surds, or even complex numbers, the formula never fails. You will secure every method mark the examiner has to offer.
Next, we tackle a technique called completing the square. You will learn to rewrite any standard quadratic expression into vertex form. Why? Because this algebraic manipulation lets you instantly read off the maximum or minimum value of a curve and sketch its exact parabolic shape. Examiners absolutely love testing this as a standalone skill, and it becomes a crucial first step later when you need to find the range of a function or integrate.
Then we meet the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. This single, powerful expression sits inside the quadratic formula, and it allows you to determine the exact nature of the roots without ever actually solving the equation. You will use the discriminant to find unknown coefficients and flawlessly execute show-that proofs. If an examiner asks you to prove a line is a tangent to a curve, the discriminant is exactly the tool you will reach for. Finally, we bring quadratics into the wider geometric world. You will solve simultaneous equations where one equation is linear and the other is quadratic. You will learn to interpret your algebraic solutions as the physical intersection points of a line and a curve on a graph. Then we move to quadratic inequalities. Unlike linear inequalities, you cannot just rearrange terms. You will learn to solve these by sketching parabolas, identifying critical values, and expressing your solution sets using formal set notation.
By the end of this unit, your algebraic foundation will be incredibly strong. You will confidently solve any quadratic equation you face. You will find turning points by completing the square, analyze root conditions using the discriminant, and conquer complex intersections and inequalities. These are the core tools you need for Paper 1. Let's get started.